Hi, this is Todd with Todd's Discount Carpet Cleaning in Hurricane, Utah. Today we're in Washington doing a love seat for a customer that was really dirty, and we're trying to help them out, and I wanted to show you what a difference that we can make. Just a little background on the company. We service all of Washington County, Utah, and also Mojave County in Arizona. And we've been here for about 7 years, but I've been doing this since 1983 and have a ton of experience. Today, the love seat that we're doing would cost $20. That's 20 big ones. We have great pricing on our upholstery cleaning. Couch is $30, but like I said, the love seat is $20. Sectionals are $60. So we ask you to take advantage of our great prices and give us a call. We're at 435-619-6020. That's 435-619-6020. Or you can find us on Facebook. Just search Discount Carpet Cleaning or St. George Discount Carpet Cleaning. You can book right through our Facebook page if that's what you prefer, or message us with any questions. I prefer it if you call me or text me. It just makes it a little faster, but we do have videos and information on our Facebook page as well. Just a reminder, we have great carpet cleaning prices as well. We're at $19 a room every day. That's for rooms up to 250 square feet. I don't charge for most hallways, and I never charge for closets. So it makes it real easy for you. $19 a room, stairway is the same as a room. You can figure out your own price. We don't have to bid it. Just give us a call and we'll get you taken care of.